Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make one of these. I think some of you guys already know how to do it and just here to find the emoji. I don't know, but yeah, just in case if you guys don't even know how to make one, I will be showing you. So first, you need to have like millions of rubber bands. Well, just in case, okay? Just in case. Take one rubber band, any color, and take your fingers like this. You have to make the rubber band into like an X. See, wait, let me just do it again. See, take the rubber band, beautiful. Take it and just twist it. Wait, let me just. Hey, come on, get on my fingers. Okay, like this. Barbie and my dolphin and the girl Smurf, I don't know, and Money will be joining us for now. It's just the background, okay? Just like that, because they keep begging me to be in the video. And then take another one. Do not twist it like the other. Put it on your finger. And take the one that had the X and put it like this. It's actually easy but takes a long time. You can make a pattern or just one color or just like me, random. I love to be random because it's easier instead of just keep having the same exact color and just or like a pattern, I don't know, and just keep doing it. I will be doing the rest off video, so it won't be like a really long video, but for now I'm just gonna show you it. See, really easy. I'm already doing some progress. Yeah. I'm gonna do it off video, so this video won't be like 24 hours long or something. Okay? I just want to make it short because I don't have that much time to just like, I don't know, have my iPad fall a million times or something. So yeah, I'm gonna do it off video, and yeah, I'll be back when I'm finished. Not okay, guys. So I'm back. This is my progress. It didn't take that long. But like, oops, wait, let me just put that back, okay. Anyway, it didn't take that long, but of course if you're making a necklace, it'll take, I think, double the time or something. Because like, and if there's noise in the background, please don't mind it. And just, yeah, I hope this tutorial helped. I don't know how to make a ring or a necklace yet because I didn't make it. But for starters, a bracelet. Okay, just for starters. But if you just really don't want to have a really long time making a necklace or just a bracelet because you don't have enough time, then just take this, tie it up like a knot, focus, like this, like a knot, and then take this carefully. You don't want to lose your progress. Just like this. One on the finger, one you holding it. Be careful. Do not lose it. Take it. Oops. See, I almost lost it. Oops. Let me just put it back. I'm going to change my cover soon, so that won't happen. Yeah, because it's old. It's a really old cover. Sorry if it came up, and I didn't notice because, yeah. Ugh, what is this? This is so hard. Usually it's easy, come on. Okay, see, you have to hold it now like this. Be careful, be careful. Be careful to not lose it. Or then you'll have to restart all over. See? And then just, oops. See, if that happens, it's okay. All you have to do is just to touch this, like on the end of the edge right here. And if you're like, how did you make those monies? Well, I'm gonna tell you in another video. Wait. Ugh. Come on, this is supposed to be easy peasy like a lemon. Not really, but yeah. Because lemons are sour. Come on. Oopsies, no. See, I lost my progress. But it's okay, you have another one. But if you didn't hold it, then all this, gone. So you have to be careful, okay? Don't know what might happen. Wait, let me fix it. Wait. Let me see if I can do it now. Off the camera. I'm just gonna wait like this. Come on. This is supposed to be easy. I always do this. Not really. See? Take this. Make it long. Just be careful. Don't lose the other one though. It's hard. But you don't have to just do that. I just did it for no reason. Come on, I'm doing some progress tying this up. I don't know why, but it doesn't want me to show it in the video. For some random reason. Wait, let me see. I did it. I hope I don't lose my progress. I'm just gonna hold it just in case, you know. Oh, see, wait, I'm gonna redo it. I hope I don't have to do it again. Let me see, just like this. Put it in the finger. And then put this other one on your finger. Be careful, just put it on the same exact finger. Okay? Come on. It does not want me to show it in the video for some reason. Hey guys. Sorry. I just went to the bathroom a little. But I lost my progress on this one. Wait, there's so many rubber bands. Wait, let me just close the door for a bit. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright. As you can see, this does not want me to show it in the video because it just hates me for some reason. Let me just do another one. Don't worry, I'm gonna do this one short. So, yeah. I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, guys, so I am, not this again. No, do not be in the video. I'm gonna let you in a video some other day. Anyways, I hope this one lets me make a knot. Okay, so take this one. Be careful though. Don't lose your progress. Take like this, and tie it up like a knot. I don't think you can see it, but it's a knot, okay? Take this one again, be careful. And yeah. I just hope this one will let me make a knot. Come on, make one. Why am I so bad at this? This is supposed to be easy. I know how to make it. I did it a million times. Not really, but who cares? Yeah. Okay, so take this and like this. Just like at the end. Finally, I didn't make it on the video because, of course, it'll just be a fail. And yeah. And yeah. This one, but if you want me to make a video on what to do, like with unwanted or broken rubber band bracelets, then just tell me in the comments below. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, so yeah. Let me I have no idea why I'm doing this. But yeah. Anyways, let me for some reason I'm just gonna take out my Play-Doh. See? Only 3 colors. It's not the actual Play-Doh, but it's like, okay, I got it as a gift. I love to play with it and make many flowers out of it. Sometimes I pretend it's slime, even though I have literally millions of slimes. Not really. Please count them on my other, video, like the slime tour video. And count them for me because I'm too lazy. I don't want to count one by one by one. And yeah, and my Play-Doh are really nice to me and did not stick together. I love them. But I'm gonna be careful and not put it on the fluffy part. I'm just gonna leave it there and make it stick. Okay, not really. Anyways, so yeah, that's all for this random video, which I don't even know why I did this at the end, but yeah. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to, of course, subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Goodbye. Okay, so that's now. Bye.